This video will show you how to change over your FCS2 with a dovetail base that would lock into a standard stage adapter over to an SBS plate adapter. The tools you will need will be an 050 Allen driver included with the SBS changeover plate and an X-Acto knife or a screwdriver to remove the two felt pads located at the top of the FCS2 chamber. To begin removal of the FCS2 dovetail on the base of the chamber, you will have to take an X-Acto knife or a screwdriver and remove the two felt tabs located at the top to expose additional Allen screws. Then you'll want to take off your FCS2 bug or electrical connector, place it off to the side, and please take note of the 1/2 inch length screws located at the 4 o'clock and at the 10 o'clock positions when you look down on the chamber from the top, or at the 8 o'clock and the 2 o'clock positions when you're looking at the base of the chamber. These two screws must be placed in this location to properly orient the white top. If they're not there, your white top will not seat properly. From there, we're going to go ahead and take the white top out. Place that off to the side. And we're going to be removal of the 050 by 1/4 inch and by 1/2 inch screws. I like to place these in orientation the way that I take them out so I know exactly where they went and don't have any questions later. And this is the 2 o'clock position, which is going to be a slightly longer screw. It's going to be the 1/2 inch screw. This is the other longer screw here. It's another 1/2 inch one located at the 8 o'clock position on the bottom of the chamber. Now with the screws removed, the dovetail will be loose and you can take the dovetail completely off. Now that you've separated the dovetail from the base of the chamber, you can begin reassembly. First, take the base of the chamber and orient yourself with the epoxy tab located in the upper portion with the cutout that is on the SBS adapter. Now you also want to make sure that you're working on the flat side of the SBS adapter instead of the recessed side. So the recessed side will go toward the chamber itself, chamber base. So simply lay this on and begin reassembly with your screws. And just remember, at the 2 o'clock and the 8 o'clock positions, you want to make sure you put the 1/2 inch screws, and all the rest of the locations will be 1/4 inch. So at the 2 o'clock position, you'll put in the 1/2 inch screws. And you also want to keep them slightly loose. You don't want to tighten them down as you go. That way, in case there's a little bit of discrepancy in machining, that they'll easily come together. This is the other 1/2 inch screw you want to put at the 8 o'clock position. And then once you have all the screws in, go ahead and do a final tightening to make sure they're snug and they're not loose. And there you have the FCS2 base now attached to an SBS plate adapter. Now in case you ever want to change back from the SBS plate back to your dovetail to use in a standard adapter, you want to take your dovetail and place it in a box, label it, and put it somewhere secure. If you have any questions or comments regarding this or any procedure you've seen, please contact us at Bioptechs, 9 to 5 Eastern, Monday through Friday, excluding holidays. Thank you.